How to change or remove credit card on Booksy. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change or remove a credit card on Booksy. To do that, you would have to go to your payment method. Then move to the bottom right corner, click on your profile icon. On the profiles page, you can see a number of options. Ensure you navigate through to your payments page. So on the payments page, you can see the option payment method. If you must have added a credit card before for you to want to change or to remove it. So on this page, you would see your credit cards, the cards you've added so far. And then once you've seen it, you also see the option remove or change on the credit card. All right, for each of the credit card. When you see this option, just go ahead and click on it. Just click on the option change or the option remove, and then automatically the credit card will be removed. And if it's changed, you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to enter in the new card details that you'd like to add. Or you can just go ahead and click on add card and then add the new card entirely. It depends on the one you want. All right. So to change or to remove a credit card on Booksy is not difficult. Just follow these procedures and you are good to go. But still, if you're finding it difficult, the next thing to do is to click on About Booksy for you to contact the customer support. And on the customer on this page, click on the Booksy website where you'll be directed to the website. On the website, click on Contact and then you'll be able to reach out to the customer support directly. Thank you and have a good time making your appointments on Booksy.